In this training video, we'll be going over programming and your affected areas. So basically, we've got the list right here of all the areas that you're going to be working on, in your program, in your estimate. So if it's a conference room or a den, this is where you program it, under programming and affected areas. Let's say that your list got too long and you just wanted to revert back to our list that we provide for you. You could click on this revert to default. If you want to add on a new area that you choose, you would put it in this input box here, and then you would click plus. So this is the list again that you program, all the areas that you might be working on. And this is the area that they will show up in. These are your affected areas that you programmed in, or we put in, or you added on as well. So for example, if you're adding a loft, you would click here and then add it. So you're picking your areas for the estimate or invoice that you're working on. So again, programming your affected areas. To your success, and thank you for watching.